go out. Because I only got with older boys.
This is Casey.
I want to make sure.
Do not shit on me. What are you doing over there? Get over here. Huh? Camera shy, huh? How the fuck do you animals know when the camera's on? I forgot. You're a real jerk. You know that? Bird? You're a real bird brain. Yeah, you. Casey. 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 Guess what? I have a boner. I'm just kidding. So don't get any ideas on where you're gonna perch next. Hmm? Really? I had no idea. Whoa! Whoa! That was cool. What the hell are you doing over there? Don't shit on my pillow, please. What are you doing? Huh? Get over here! Get over here! Casey. What the fuck is you doing? You crazy kid. Where you going over there? Come over here. Don't go over there. Come over here. What are you doing over there? You trying to fight me? You ain't got the guts. You know what? That's it. Shit, I was gonna do something. More than a feeling. Clean up your fucking shit off of my bed. Fucking shit off of my bed. Yeah, your shit. Liquid bird turd. Not cool. I'm gonna go shit in your cage, do I? Your little hammock thing. I should lay a big fucking turd in there. Or lay one and place it in there because it'd probably be hard to get in there. That'd be gross. But it'd teach you a lesson, wouldn't it? Got my pillow? I'll give you Casey noodle soup tonight. Think about that. Huh? It's tough for you, pal. Oh! Know the feeling. More than a feeling. Casey, I have to ask you a question. Why is I forget. Who's the pretty bird? Who's the pretty bird? Hmm? Wanna do a trick? You ready? Hope you're ready. You wanna go upside down? Okay. No upside down for you. Pretty bird. My bad. What the hell is happening here? Something happened in here. What it is ain't exactly clear. Look over here. This is crazy. Okay. I think that's enough. Whoa!